How to understand why your Macy's order ships in multiple packages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Macy's on your device. Here to understand why your Macy's order ships in multiple packages. As you can see, if the merchandise ships in multiple shipments, you will see multiple charges because there will be a separate charge for individual shipment. The total of the charges for all the shipments will be equal to the total for the entire order. It will be shipped differently as there are different merchandise, different stores. So according to different stores, it will send your package and it will even charge you more. This is how to understand why your Macy's order ships in multiple packages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.